Shiva.
Hi Harshini.
I have certain things to clarify.
Sure, go on.
Every year, we proudly wave the Tiranga. But do we really know its story?
I too need to know about it. Let's go and find it out.
Hi, Gianna.
Hi Harshini.
Do you know who designed our national flag?
Our national flag is designed by Pingali Vengaya, a freedom fighter from present-day Andhra Pradesh. It was officially adopted on 22nd July 1947, even before India became independent.
Do you know who helped bring the Tiranga to every Indian's heart? Leaders like Sarojini Naidu supported the adoption of our national flag in the Constituent Assembly. On 22nd July 1947, she delivered a memorable speech inspiring every Indian to honor the Tiranga as a symbol of free nation. Hi Shika.
Hi Harshini.
I have a question for you. Do you know what the three colors in our Tiranga represent?
They are more than colors, they remind courage, peace and growth. The values that makes our nation strong.
Do you know who wrote our national anthem?
Our national anthem Janagana Mana was written by Rabindranath Tagore, the first Asian to win in the Nobel Prize in Literature.
Hi Gianna. I'm glad that I met you again.
Yes, you are. Continue.
Hi Gianna.
Hi Harshini.
Do you know who wrote the national song?
Vande Mataram. Our national song was written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay.
Hey Shishmita. Do you know what is the official ratio of our national flag? Yes, of course. The Tiranga is always made in the ratio of 3:2, 3 units in length and 2 units in height. And we still have more questions. To whom can we ask? You can ask to Jones. He will be in the garden. Yes, sure. And let's go. Hi Jones.
Hi Shiva.
Can I ask you some questions?
Yes, sure.
Do you know what makes India truly special?
India has 20 states and 8 union territories, hundreds of languages, thousands of traditions. Yet we stand together as one nation. That's the beauty of India.
One last question.
Yes, you can go ahead.
After 80 years of independence, what does India expect from us?
Not just to remember history but to create it. Because the next chapter of India was written by us.